Unlike American women, who, on the average, stand quite tall, most Japanese women are diminutive in size. Does diminutive mean tall, big, small, or heavy? This sentence uses a contrast clue. Our signal word in this sentence is the word unlike, indicating to us that whatever the sentence says American women are like, Japanese women will be the opposite. In this case, the sentence tells us that American women stand quite tall. If Japanese women are the opposite, then diminutive must mean short or small. Let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best matches our definition. Tall is quite the opposite of what we're looking for and can be marked off, as can big. Small seems to be just what we're looking for, but we're going to go on just in case. Heavy, again, is quite the opposite, so we will mark it off and mark C, small, as our final answer.